Okay, I'm understandably mad right now because I started recording this and for some reason my recording stopped. So I was opening my favorite version, diary version, and so I already know what I got for my cover, so I don't have that big of a reaction. What I was supposed to have a bigger reaction, so I got Yuri for my cover. I'm so mad my recording stopped. So I got Yuri for my cover. Here she is. And like I have her color for the orange. Here's the back, and yeah, here's the photo book and the CD plate stuff. And then I was also, you get spoiled with the 4-cut film no matter what, like even if you flip over your photo cards. So I got Sakura, so I didn't get that reaction to getting Sakura on camera as well. So I really deeply apologize that my recording just stopped for some reason, but I have all my other stuff like over here. So here's where they keep the photo cards, like here in this like booklet, and here is the CD. Look at it, it looks so adorable. I love this so much. And so my favorite version is diary version. This is my favorite version of the whole entire set. I also got the kit album, but that's not supposed to be delivered until later today or even Monday because I did 2 separate orders because K-Town For You posted the kit album link later than the other 2. I hope this recording doesn't stop again because I'm so excited. So let's get flipping on this photo book. Oh, I'm so happy with this. I'm like literally shaking because I love this so much. Oh, look how beautiful they are. Look how beautiful. Oh. Of course, Wonyoung is in the crease as she's the tallest and she's number 1 and she's always in the center. But oh my god, look at her. Oh my god, this is literally my favorite look of her. My absolute favorite look of her. I love the bow, I love the hair, I love the little highlights, I love her outfit. Like, I'm literally so freaking out. I love this look on her. And when these teasers dropped, I was like, oh my god, like this freaking teaser. Oh my god, I love Wonyoung so much. Wonyoung is my bias, I collect her as well. Look at her, she's amazing. Oh, she's so cute. God, and she's only like 15 international age. So then we have Yujin. Look at her. I've seen these skins, I'm not gonna lie. I've seen most of them. Wait, I haven't seen this one. Oh my god, she looks adorable. Absolutely adorable in this. Holy crap. Oh, and I love the little heart blush. Like, oh, Yujin looks absolutely adorable. So I got this from K-Town For You, and I got like the first applicant. Oh my god, Yuri, look at her. So I got the first applicant version so I could get like a video call, like because they're doing virtual fan signs. However, I didn't win it, obviously. But I got also posters, which I don't understand why I got posters because I don't collect posters. I don't even hang up posters in my room. But so I already opened them up because they're kind of hard to open them up on camera. Oh, it's me. But I got Yuri's poster as well as Sakura's poster, and then a group poster. And I'm pretty sure the group poster was diary version. Nako, this is literally one of the cutest pictures of this album. I love the buns on her. She's adorable. So this comeback, I love this comeback. I love this album. My favorite song on the album, oh, she's adorable. Oh my god, I love this eye look. Oh, it's so adorable. So my favorite Minju, my favorite song on this album is Welcome. Welcome is so perfect. I know it's an intro, so it's shorter than everybody else. Look at, she's giving me G vibes with these jeans. But I know Welcome is the shortest song on the album. J1, oh my god, she's adorable. But it is my favorite song. And then my second favorite would be, I would say, Merry-Go-Round. I love Merry-Go-Round. However, the title track is actually one of my least favorite title tracks from ISO1. Like, I still like it. I think it's a good song. It's just not my favorite from ISO1. But, oh my god, they're giving me G vibes because of the colored jeans. Because you know how, Girls' Generation, like, started that trend. They're giving me those vibes. I love this album. With the, with her braids. And she posted, like, behind the scenes of this photo shoot with her, like, in the claw machine. It was so cute. God, this is such a nice photo book. I'm, like, freaking out. Look at Haewon with her blue, but not blue. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Purple hair. God, this is such a pretty photo. I remember seeing the scan. I love this concept so much. I love ISO1's concept. Like, ISO1's concept is literally one of the best concepts in the K-pop industry. I really love it. Like, here she is. Envy. So this, I consider, Story of the Swan, Envy's era. Like, I think she owned it. She was beautiful. She got, like, highlighted in this. Like, look at this picture. You cannot deny that she is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And here's a group photo. Yeah. So then here's the lyrics of Secret Story of the Swan. I said Story of the Swan. I meant Secret. Of course, Welcome has, like, literally this the shortest lyrics, but I don't care. It's still the best song on the album. So here are the lyric videos. I don't think you guys really care with the lyric photos because we don't understand Korean or Japanese, at least for me. Oh, is this like a thanks to? I think I haven't seen a translation for this, however. But yeah, oh my god. Now we're flipping, so we're at the end of diary version. So we're gonna flip over the photo cards. So as I said before, I got Sakura's, I can put it against the white of the decor. We got Sakura's 4-cut film, which is beautiful as always. You can't really like change that. So, and I think the back of these cards are spoiling some of it, but whatever, because of the colors. But we got, this is Yuri's ISO1 decor stickers. I'm pretty sure because her color is orange, as you can see right here. And that was already spoiled for me, so that's why I'm not having a big reaction. But let's do the green back. Let's see what we got. Chaewon. Absolutely stunner. I love her photo cards this comeback. She has one of the best photo cards out of everybody. Chaewon really pulled through with this. Oh my god. So I'm guessing this is Yuri's photo card because of the orange. Yes, I was right. Look at her. Love that red hair. I know some people don't like the red hair, but I love red hair on idols. I think they're the top like hairstyles when idols dye their hair red, so I don't care. So then the third photo card, is this the scratch card? No, this is the AR card. So let's see. We got, oh my god, we got Minju. Oh my god, look at her. She's adorable. There's a little, oh, I thought these were creases, but it's just the design of her name. Oops, it's not focusing, but it's just a design. Like, it's not creased, it's the design. So those are my pulls for her diary version. Oh, I'm so excited. This, hands down, is my favorite packaging of the album, of all of ISO1's albums. Like, I understand that Boom Eyes came with so much like inclusions. However, this packaging is my favorite. And I haven't even uploaded my Boom Eyes unboxings because of one reason only. I got signed copies, so it took a while to post and whatever, but I'm posting that before this video. So let's start with the Oneiric version. I don't think I cut that well. Let's cut it here. So let's see the outbox for this one. So I'm gonna pull it from the top because when I was first started recording, I pulled it from the bottom so you could see the person's name. So let's see who we got. Oh, I'm scared, guys. You guys are anticipating. So we have the top. Let's see who we got. Maybe I should do it diagonal so there's room. Oneiric Diary. Let's see. Oh my god, I got the group cover. Oh, I got a group cover. I didn't expect to get a group cover. Look how absolutely stunning they are. MB's look in this is my favorite one. She literally stole the show with this. Oh, I'm so happy. Look how beautiful the photo book is and stuff like that. So I have to turn this upside down because the photo cards are here. Oh, this is not upside down, so let's put it upside down. Yes, okay. Oh, I think that's Yuri's photo card because of the orange. They need to not do that because I was waiting to get this. Okay, upside down. Not upside down. Guessing that's Yuri again. I think I got like all Yuri photo cards. Not complaining, but oh. I think that's the postcard. Yeah, this is the postcard that they give me. So I don't, that can be spoiled. But I think that's all. Yeah, okay, that's all. So let me sort this out real quick. These are the photo cards. Let's push that back here. So here, I'm gonna put this here. Here's like the booklet they give you, so your photo cards are in there. And here's the CD. It's purple. I love the purple theme of this. I think it's a very nice theme. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. So let's get the photo book. So this is just a postcard that they give you in Oneiric version. So let's go into the photo book. I can't wait to see Envy's photos in here because this is her superior version. Like, she just owned it. So, look at this. This group photo is so nice. Look at her. Look at her. I think Envy and Yuri's best versions are in Oneiric version. See, she's starting first. You know why? Because she owned this fucking album. I just swore. I don't know if I'm allowed to swear on YouTube, but holy crap, look at that heart jewel. Oh god, she's amazing. Like, absolutely stunning. I love her look. Now we have Sakura. Look how beautiful she is. This is so pretty. Oh my god, this concept and this album is so pretty. It's like my favorite packaging out of all albums. I know Boom Eyes came with so many inclusions. Like, it came with so many inclusions that I haven't even posted my Blue Eyes unboxing as of right now. I'm probably posting this before. I'm probably posting the Blue Eyes unboxings before I do this one. But Yana with her blonde hair. I just love this. I really do. I'm like absolutely stunned away. Like, as one is just a group of visuals. Like, look at this, Chan. She's eating this up. Oh my god, this is absolutely so good. Trayvon is coming through. God, I'm so excited. Like, I can't wait to put this on my bookcase. That's how excited I am. Minju. Look at her. Look at her. She's like absolutely stunning. Nako. Like, I love the styling. I love like the little like crystal like compliments on her like cheekbones and stuff like that. I think this like concept is just absolutely amazing. Hit to me. Oh, hit to me. Oh. Yuri. Oh god, I love the red hair. I love it so much. I don't care what anybody says. Look at this outfit. This is a really nice outfit. I think this is one of the best outfits. Like, I really love that outfit. And this is one of the best photos. I love her earrings in this. I love her lips. I love her eye makeup. Like, hey, Jane. This is such a good album. Oh my god. I just love the packaging. I love the photo book. Oh my god. We're starting on my baby. My baby. We're actually ending with my baby. And yeah, I love her so much. Oh. By the way, One Young's my bias, and I collect her. Now we have the group photo, the last group photo, and I think we have the lyric books that I don't think we really care about because we already just saw them. But here's the Thanks To. I have not read the Thanks To translation, if anybody translated them. So let's get started on the other stuff. I don't think I'm gonna know what room decor this is. I'm really bad with the colors, so I'm sorry if I'm wrong. We have the green room. I don't know whose color is green. I'll probably like do a caption because I'm just really bad at the colors. I don't remember the colors. I don't even know One Young's color because I don't know. I'm guessing this is Yuri, however, because it's orange. I know that's Yuri's color because of my other album, but oh my god, hi One. Hey One. I don't know why I said hi One. Hey One. Oh my god. I did not expect Hey One because of the orange back. Oh my god, she looks absolutely amazing. Oh, she's stunning. So let's do this one. Sakura, look at her. Sakura's so pretty, so stunning. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love these. I love this so much. Okay, so this is the AR card. Minju, oh my god, Minju's absolutely loving me with the AR cards. I keep on getting her. I don't want to trade her. Minju's my second bias right now. I always go off and on with Chaewon and Minju as my second bias, but right now, yeah, it's definitely Minju. Oh god, I'm so excited. Like, I don't have that big of reactions, like, in general. I just don't have those big of reactions. But I don't know if you guys can tell, my voice is really shaky right now. As well as like, my voice is really shaky and I'm really shaky. I'm all over the place because I love this album. So now we have the last version, 3D version. I think I can get it from the bottom here. Yeah, okay. So I ordered these from K-Town For You, and from K-Town For You, I did the DHL because that's the only option for shipping right now because of COVID. And I like DHL. I think it's my favorite shipping. They're really good. I like their tracking system as well. Wait, do these have covers? I don't think so. Yeah, they 3D version doesn't have covers. So look at this. Oh, let me put this aside. This right here, one of the best. I don't care what anybody says. One of the best. So here's the back. Like, this is absolutely amazing. Oh Jesus. So here's the standee. Holy crap. This is absolutely amazing. I didn't expect this. I haven't looked at anybody else's unboxings. Holy crap. I love this standee. Standee is so nice. I wish it could stay, however. Oh my god. I don't even want to close it. So I'm guessing the photo cards are in the back of this. So I'm gonna flip this over. Okay. I also got a poster. Oh no. Okay, I see what it means. I know what this is about now. Let me close this for now and put it off to the side. So this is a poster. I didn't know I was getting this, but it's a poster. It's of like the rooms all together and their signatures. You just can't see it because I don't have have that big of a space. My desk is pretty small. So these are the photo cards and everything. So let me turn this upside down as usual. Okay. Okay. That's a scratch card, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Okay. So here's the CD. Oh my god, this is such a pretty CD. I love this. And the diary version is my favorite based on the photo book. However, 3D version is my best one out of the packaging. So I was going on a rant, not a rant, a conversation about DHL and PayPal for you. So DHL is one of my favorite shipping companies, shipping services. I was like, without a doubt, it's my favorite one. I love their tracking. I think they're pretty consistent on timing. Like, so for my ISO1 Bumi's albums, I got my albums early than the expected delivery date, and same with this. I got this early before the expected delivery date, while UPS is always like delaying packages, and they don't have the best tracking system, and they also don't have the best record of like keeping albums safe. However, this time DHL gave me a little problem with their packaging. My box was very dented, so I was worried that these albums would be damaged, but no. Look at Sakura, Yena, and Hitsumi. This is such a cute little unit. Oh, they're so pretty. I was thinking of doing the go for this, like a group order, but I decided not to. So, thank you. Because I do like trading. I like that aspect of trading. And I'm not even done with Bumi's trading. I like literally just got my albums. I don't have a lot of One Young photo cards from Bumi's. However, I'm done with Hard Eyes and Color Eyes. So it's okay. Look at Cheon. Oh, Nako. She's so adorable. Like, I love Nako. I think my bias ranking in this group is so hard. Like, I cannot tell you like my order. Like, I just know my top 3 are One Young Minju and Chaewon, but after that, honestly, it switches up all the time. But I really love this outfit, like this bow and the pink skirt. Like, God, Minju Sunny, envy. Definitely her error. Like, no, like, if you say it's not, you're wrong. I don't care. Your opinion's wrong. This is definitely Envy's error, without a doubt. Chaewon. Oh my gosh, she has the same outfit as Minju. I love it. Chaewon and Minju twinning. I absolutely love it. Also, I don't think I mentioned before. I may have done, but I'm getting the kit version. I'm getting the kit version, but it's 2 separate packages, so I may not have it in this video. And if I do, you'll see. But if I don't, I'll just comment down like what I pulled. Absolutely stunning. This unit is so nice. My baby, my freaking baby, One Young. Oh, I love this so much. Look how beautiful she is. I love this hair on her. Yay! I love the highlights of same with like the same outfit. Oh my god, do they all have the same outfit? I'm just noticing now that they all have the same outfit. Like, certain members have the same outfit because it's my favorite outfit. Yeah, they do. Oh my god, Halo. Look at the purple. See, I like it when people have like idols have like a dash of color. Like Yuri's, of course I love it because I love red hair on every idol. But I also like it when idols just have a dash of color. This is such a nice picture. Like, these 3, this tree is such a nice one. And here's a group photo. Absolutely stunning. And then once again, workbooks that we don't really care about. Well, I don't care about that. And then things too. Now on to the photo cards. Oh my god. So let's do the first photo card. Chaeyeon, look at her. She's absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Wow. So this is an AR card, I'm pretty sure. Let me put that there. The AR card. my god. Envy! Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at her. The queen of Oneiric Diary era. Definitely the queen. Let's do the other like regular photo card. Oh, I'm scared. Cheon again. Cheon, come here. You're following me. So I got two Cheons and one Envy. So this is the scratch card, I'm pretty sure. So let's see who we got. Sakura! We got Sakura's scratch card. It's already like a little scratch. We got Sakura's scratch card. Absolutely stunning. As usual. As one, it's just a group of visuals. So that is it for right now. I'll add it in my kit version if I get it today. However, if I don't get it today, I'll comment like what I got. I sadly didn't pull any One Youngs, but that's okay because I joined to go for the signed copies, and I put One Young as my photo cards as well as my signature. So we'll see when that comes in, which will probably take a while, but yeah, thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you next time.